Natasha, I know you praised the team when you got the award, but it's fantastic as well to get an individual award.
Yeah, you know, it always is, and it's massive, and you're always hoping that you don't have to go up and get the award, but part of you is, you know, is very proud when you do receive it, and the fact that it's coming from the FAW and, you know, the things that have gone on this year to be recognised individually is, you know, it is a massive honour, and it's a very proud moment for me.
Is that good for confidence as well, that you feel that appreciation?
Yeah, definitely. Like, I think, you know, anyone will say you can be the best player in the world, but you got to have that, you know, bit of confidence given to you sometimes, and, you know, to go away with this end of the season is massive, and hopefully this will put me in some good places, you know, mentally for January.
And on the last campaign, you ended strongly, very positively, which augurs well for the future.
Yeah, massive, and, you know, I think we'll look back on the campaign and be very disappointed to the fact that, you know, we didn't qualify, and I think we should have probably, and, you know, the loss to Austria earlier on in the campaign probably shot us in the foot a bit, and, you know, it shows that we've come a long way to, you know, the fact that we are disappointed. Before, we would have just rolled over and taken the loss and not qualified, but, you know, we've got the players and the quality to get there, and hopefully that, you know, one day we will be able to get there.
Let's hope so. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you.